Hey, now I'm from
Stellenbosch have been around in the top flight now, and they continue to set new benchmarks here at Soccer City, and we are underway with Kaizer Chiefs getting started here.
Of the game in that game, just that he did not on the field.
To 10 men early in the second period. And some feel it was on the strength of that performance that Chiefs were swayed to sign him. Well, he wasn't really on there.
Oh, one time you're on the field. One time you're going to put your hand to the field.
Looking for the cutback for Andre to get another opportunity here to find a teammate. Finding a little bit of space to go for position.
Yeah, go back the field. No, the field.
I think the intended target was into position of Alana.
Give him an opportunity, but looking at this Kaizer Chiefs team, they
That's the flow.
To Shabalala once again. Option for Tetra.
Shining. Oh, hey, I'm getting out. Hey,
tonight against man who used to be his teammates.
What's the odds?
Yeah, here's him tipped one. Dupre. To space for Shabalala.
Dupre does
not on the six. I just can't hang on to the pass from the
oh my God.
Ball taken quickly. Kaizer Chiefs caught lacking at the back. Big opportunity here. Well dealt with by Simango. On the ball, the 22-year-old will celebrate his 23rd birthday in about a month. Dolly again on the score sheet to make it 2-0 today. Had a good fight of it. Ibrahim Jabbar scoring 1 minute into the second half. They have a chance. Scramble behind.
Simango looking to use that pace of Titus on the right.
Kaizer Chiefs looking to use pace to get him behind. To do the teasing Torre. Looking the corner. To deliver. From Reyners. Receives from Toure. Onside, but the ball goes over the line. There's Devon Titus. To Dion, responds it towards goal. Hospital for Ashley Dupre. Stellenbosch this season. Defensive though, the visitors holding for Anila Duba. Santi, back to Duba. Skyway from Ireland. End-to-end stuff. Toure staying on his feet. Backside of Stellies.
To prison
Oh, look at this. The ball
Gag,
was
but
left
it's on
by running getting past a couple of players, but it fell to order. He found Ikram Reynolds who turns and shoots. Space here for Stellies. He hasn't got more than one in a single season other than that campaign. A shot. That's a goal.
Nice.
Tetra wins it. Wanted a duper. Really well. So far, that match between looking to exploit the space in behind. Titus is trying to win that battle against Santi. Wins that battle. Able to put the ball in the first opportunity to make a real contribution here. 14 instances where they have conceded the opening goal and they come back to win. Shabalala from behind to lead 2-1 against Cape Town City at the break.
Want them to rush, they need to be patient, they need to remain focused.
And he sees the pilot once again, now he's hooked into the air for Dupree. Skips it cleverly and gets the return shot. Stevens. Well, the shot not on target, but Stevens not prepared to take any chances. Kaizer Chiefs have it again through morning. Spots the run from Dupree. Dupree for Clemson. Enough for a good ball. Masterclass against Orlando Pirates with a brace this evening as Dino van Rooyen slips it through to
Guillaume was operating. Not a runner, Mkaka, but very technically very gifted, looks after the ball.
Now, opportunity at Ikram Reynolds. Waiting for some support. Here's Antonio van Beek. Van Beek's ball. Christensen up against Bassani. Drives towards the byline. Saves Stevens. Here comes the cross. Having to compete with Bassadine this season as Devin Titus tiptoes his way past Ed Nielsen and slips it through here for Reynolds. At the other end, Kaizer Chiefs looking to equalise. Drops there for Simons. Might get another bite. He's laid it off to City.
Chiefs will be expecting from him.
There's Tetra. Dupree took his time.
Correct what they are doing, Stellies. Bogies just come onto the field of play.
Launched towards the back post. Chirabera was there. Stevens will collect, but it was a worrying moment. Bimini Miner netted 3 penalties. It's another match in which Stellenbosch had a player sent off. Header is easy. An additional day of rest. Flung out to the left-hand flank. Where Santi receives. First of all. Ball in towards the near post.
A good performance. That is just another one that is given a good performance.
Oh, trouble here. Antonio Van Beek.
Wamnya.
Goal. Puma makes the save. Well, that surely would have run.
He's not the quickest of players, that is Van Beek, but smart. He drives forward, he cuts in front of Stellies so that he can have the advantage.
Gaga sees his opponent. Could be an opportunity. Poggi and then a better effort from Gaga.
For Poggi, another great save by Puma. Puglia from the ball here.
This season, Gaga, as the final whistle blows here at Soccer City, and Stellenbosch come away with all 3 points. Their streak continues. The team that should